wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling chairs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. By virtue of a cooling mesh back, the essential swivel will help keep your body temperature under control, even if work is pushing you to the boiling point. It features an adaptable recline function, which means you don't need to sit ramrod straight all day. It comes with sculpted arms for comfort and a 3-year limited warranty. However, it's not ideal for large individuals. At number 9, constructed with a thick padded seat that's designed to provide comfort and reduce stress on your legs. The Boss Office posture is made from a durable, plush-looking microfiber that's easy to clean. You can put it together in minutes without a problem. There are 3 different style options, and it's a compact, space-saving design, but its back support is lacking. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Built like a tank to last for years. The Hun Wave is designed to provide specialized support to help prevent shoulder, neck and back strain from prolonged periods of sitting. It comes with a limited 5-year warranty in case something goes awry. It offers an adjustable recline and a firm yet comfortable seat. However, the lumbar support loosens at times. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, despite its simple design, the Greenforest Task is quite solid, featuring a one-touch pneumatic height adjustment lever and a convenient 360-degree swivel motion. Its rubber wheels ensure that it rolls quietly and leaves your floor scratch-free. There are 3 bright colors to choose from, all lightweight and easy to move, with a stable 5-caster base. Moving up our list to number 6. It's not fancy, but the furmax mesh allows you to work in comfort for extended periods of time, thanks to its breathable mesh design and well-placed lumbar supports. Its professional appearance makes it a nice choice for a reception desk. This is a quality value option with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and it doesn't scuff floors. Halfway up our list at number 5. Available in 2 sleek designs, the dxracer King series is supported by a very strong aluminum base with a tall vertical headrest that provides plenty of head and shoulder support. It's designed to keep you comfortable even if you're seated for 8 hours or more. It features 3-inch casters for stability, a head and neck pillow, and a base that serves as a footrest. At number 4, it's not built with a backrest, but the antlu saddle is super useful for scooting around in workplaces like spas, massage clinics and dental offices. The wheels are smooth and nearly silent when rolling, and it's easy to adjust the height of this stool. It's got a 350-pound weight capacity and no tools are required for assembly. Its foam seat retains its shape well. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Surprisingly well built for such an affordable model, the bestoffice mid-back looks right at home in a small business and rolls smoothly on its durable casters. The seat can be raised and lowered between 16 and 19 inches to accommodate people of varying heights. It's very sturdy despite its compact size and offers a quick and easy assembly. In fact, it comes with an Allen wrench. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling chairs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if your office is in your home, you can toil comfortably in the dxracer Formula series from your desk all day long, then simply roll yourself over to the big screen to blow off some steam on the gaming console after a hard day's work. It features a breathable fabric to keep you cool, height-adjustable armrests, and an angle that can be lowered for napping. And taking the top spot on our list. Elegant and very comfortable, the Office Star Light Air features advanced lumbar support with adjustable tilt capabilities. At 44 inches tall and 27 inches wide, it's designed to feel sturdy and relaxing for individuals in a wide array of sizes. Its casters work well on carpet, and there's a stylish platinum finish on the base. It's made from quality, attractive leather. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling chairs, or simply click beneath this video.